What is up, everyone? I hope you guys are doing great today. Well, you guys, I'm kind of full right now. I just opened a jar of peanut butter and I think I ate like half of the jar. So, yep, that's a lot of protein for me now. Anyways, I'm a little pumped up and today I am going to be creating a little nice spring warm makeup look. But of course, I am going to add some detail to it. So I will be adding a little bit of little things that I purchased so that way, I can give this look a little bit of a pop. So anyways, you guys, stick around, do not leave. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button down below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and start off with my Vanish Seamless Liquid Foundation from Hourglass. My primer finished, so I haven't been able to purchase another one, and thank God that this Hourglass Vanish Liquid Foundation does not need a primer. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab a beauty blender and apply my foundation. Alright, so now I'm grabbing my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer and I'm going to go ahead and apply. So my birthday is coming up pretty soon. Next week, actually this Sunday, I am going to be 29 years old, and I have no idea what to do for my birthday. I'm thinking about going to the beach or doing something fun. Oh, that's what I think I'll probably do because I love the beach. I am a water girl. Every time I hit the beach, I think I'm Aquaman, swimming in the water, looking like a fish. The beaches over here are so beautiful, so nice, so relaxing. I hope that this foundation, and it's not, and I see that this foundation is already getting too light for me because, I've been outside in the sun while I've been in the process of moving, just, been in the sun a lot, cleaning and doing, chores that I gotta do because a woman gotta keep her chores and keep her house clean. So anyways, yeah, I hope that this foundation, you guys, it needs to keep working for me because, that's all I have for now. I also have my beautiful, beautiful 9-month-old baby, and he is so big. He is so beautiful. He looks like an angel, even though sometimes he doesn't act like one. It's my first time being a mom, so I am like what would they call it, like a first mommy or whatever. So yeah, just getting the hang to, doing so many things, dividing my time. Everything is a little hard, but I know I'm going to get a hang of it, and I am going to be uploading more often. That's what I want to do. It's my plan. To be honest with you guys, I'm not like this professional editor that knows how to edit or has like the best program to edit. But I do my best because I want to show you guys just the talent and the love that I have for makeup and the passion. So this is like all me, all this editing and all this recording, the camera, putting it all together. This is like all me. So maybe the videos aren't perfect or the resolution or anything, they probably aren't, but I'm sorry. I'm just getting the hang of it all. So I hope you guys enjoy, just watching the videos, just, hearing me out and getting to know me, y'all. Getting to know me. That's the important thing about it, that I show you guys the passion that I have for makeup and that you guys, of course, can learn something out of this. So yeah, I think that's about it. I talk too much, and if I talk too much, my videos will be too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this whole thing off using my Fenty Beauty Setting Powder in butter. Alright, so I'm also going to apply some beneath my eyes and just let it sit there while I do my eye look. Very important that you guys do this because if there is like any fallout from the eyeshadows, well then all you have to do later on is just wipe it away. So I really recommend that you put some translucent powder there and just let it sit for a while. So anyways, you guys, I am just going to go ahead and do my brows off camera because I do not want to bore you. Same thing, the brows. Guys, I'll be right back for the look. Alright guys, so my brows are all said and done, and now I just grabbed a little bit more of that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I applied it to the lid. And as I always do, with the finger, just tap in the product. I think it's way easier for me to just apply it with the finger. First off, I don't waste as much product. And second off, I don't know, I feel like it applies a lot better. Woo, girl. I think that peanut butter is getting to me. I think I ate too much protein. Whew, I feel it right in the neck of the stomach. Gosh. Ugh. Anyways, calm down, girl. Calm down. Let's keep on moving. Now for today, I am going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I like this palette because it does have a lot of warm tones to it. Tones? Warm tones. I don't know why I said tones. No. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab the shade Buns, this one right here from her palette, and I'm going to apply it towards my crease. And with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and grab Central Park and apply that towards my outer V. So now I'm just going to go ahead and dive in with this color here, Silk Cream. And I am going to apply that beneath, a little bit beneath my brow bone, but not too close to the brow. And for my brow bone, I'm just going to go ahead and grab Beam. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and grab a little bit more of that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and cut the crease. Alright guys, so I now have a cut crease. Now I am just going to go ahead and use this shade right here. It is called Obsessed. I am going to apply that all over, you know, the lid. So now I'm going to be grabbing SBN right here, and I am going to apply that near my outer V. Right in between those two. Now grabbing my Juvia's Place palette, this is the Afrique palette, I am going to go ahead and use this yellow here and go ahead and apply it right here towards the inner corner. I'm going to now apply this beautiful glitter that I purchased. Ooh, so pretty. I'm going to apply that right there onto the lid. I don't know how far in to take it, but let's see where my hand takes me. So now just grabbing some glitter glue, I am going to go ahead and pop some on that lid. And although I did, and I do love how this whole thing looks right here, I already had it planned out to use the glitter, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the glitter. Look how pretty, you guys. So I just felt like putting a little bit of gold glitter right on top of that beautiful, beautiful glitter that I added on my lid. And I think it is coming out pretty cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps on this eye and then apply some mascara and lashes and be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finished this eye off. I added a little bit of detail to it. I just added some dried flowers that I purchased and a little teeny weeny pearl. These are like a face gem sticker. I just bought these dried little flowers. They only cost like $1. And what I did, just put a little bit of a lash glue and look for wherever I want to place them. Just go ahead and put it right there. And then just grabbing a little tiny pearl, I'm going to place it right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and smoke out that lower lash line with that yellow. I should have done it before applying the flowers, but you know, I was just in the mood to put on those flowers. And now just apply some mascara on my lower lashes. And just to highlight that inner corner of my eye, I am just going to go ahead and grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose highlighter, and this is a Snowflake. Alright guys, so it's now time to bronze, and for bronzer, of course, I am going to be using my Benefit Cosmetics Hula Bronzer. Just blowing you away. It has me already blown away. I can't even talk. I'm about to choke over here with this look. It's just so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. And for highlighter, once again, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in Snowflake. Alright guys, so for lips, I went ahead and just put on a little peachy color that I had lying around. It's called Melon Pop, and this is by Clinique. So that's what I had around there, the closest that I could get for, you know, this look, and I wanted to add something like that, a little peachy. I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of the face with my setting spray, and I am going to be setting it with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, this is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had a fun time watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And always remember that your inner beauty is what truly reflects your outer beauty. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to do my next video. Bye guys!